How to make this New Year text effect in Photoshop. First of all, start with your background image. Then go to the text tool and type 2026. After typing, select the Move tool and adjust the text properly. Now go to the Shapes tool and create a rectangle shape. Fill the color with black. Press Alt and use the Move tool to create a copy. Repeat the same step to make 4 copies in total. Once done, hold Alt-Shift, select all 4 shape layers, and convert them into a smart object. Next, go to File, Place Embedded, and insert your image. Press Ctrl-T, choose Distort, and adjust the image perfectly over the shapes. After that, right-click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. And that's it, your stylish New Year shape overlay effect is ready.